everybody. Today we've got a fun game that works on colors, matching, and you get a little fun exercise for you and your kids. You ready to go?
Yes.
Okay, so what are we going to do?
We're going to go get our colors and bring them in here and put them on the table.
That's right. We're going to start off with 6 colors. We're doing the colors of the rainbow, and you and your child are going to go run around and find an item for each color and bring it back here. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, what color are we going to start with?
Red!
All right, let's go find something red. Ready, set, go! Got my red.
Got my red!
It's upside down. Turn this way.
Got my red.
All right,
My red.
I've got a red ab roller. June, what have you got?
I got a red backpack.
June's got a red backpack. Oh, look, and Onyx got something too. Good job, buddy. Onyx has got a red flower petal. Good job. All right, what color's next?
Orange!
Orange. Okay, let's go grab something orange. Let's go. Okay, what do you got?
I got an orange.
All right, she's got an orange play toy, and I've got an orange balloon. Great job. Okay, what's next?
Yellow!
Yellow. All right, what you got for yellow?
Ducky!
You got a duck? Good job.
Quack, quack.
Quack, quack. And I've got a puppy cookie cutter. All right, what's
Quack,
next? What's next?
Green!
Green, let's go. All right, we've got our green. I've got a guitar. And what have you got?
I got a potty.
She's got a potty seat, a green froggy potty. Great job. All right, we've got red, orange, yellow, green. What's next?
Blue!
Blue, okay, blue. Blue, what you got for blue?
I got blue slippers.
Aw, she's got Onyx's little blue slippers. Great job. And I've got our JBL Bluetooth speaker. So we got one more color. What's next?
Purple!
Purple. Okay, so get purple. Okay, last color. Go for it.
I got a purple sock.
All right, June's got her purple sock, and I've got a purple bobblehead stuffed animal. So that was a quick, fun, easy game. You gonna do it too? Boing. Boing. Good job. That was a quick, fun, easy game that you and your kids can play. You got some good exercise, you worked on your colors, you had fun. So try this game at home with your kids. Grab whatever you can find, however many colors you want to do that, and have some fun with it. All right, we will see you later. That's it for today.
My favorite color was yellow.
All right, and my favorite color is purple.
Drop a comment below. Tell us your favorite color. And watch our other videos. Whatever videos you want. Even my cool Play-Doh video.